creek crossing. Can I get through this? Dude, there's so many different roads up here. This might go down to the river eventually. Check that out. Oh, yeah, that's a dog. That's a dog. Let's go. I could swear this is where the mine is supposed to be, right here. What's up guys, it's me again, the Moto Dweeb. Just out riding through the Hellgate Canyon, along the Rogue River, maybe gonna head up into the mountains, look for an old mine that's supposed to be out there, a whole bunch of tunnels. If I find it, definitely not gonna go in since I'm out here by myself. Would be cool to find at least. Maybe I'll come back here with some friends or something, we'll look around. Anyway, let's get out there. Love the views of the river out here. This is such a fun road to ride on. I'm not sure, but I think this might be the road that goes to the mine. Let's see what's down here. Creek crossing. Can I get through this? Not sure. I don't know. If I had a skid plate, I might try this, but without one, I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just being a little too overly timid, but I don't know. Yeah, not gonna risk that today, but we'll at least take the drone out, fly that around some. See what's up ahead anyway. Well, there's a pretty bad washout up there, so if this is the road in, definitely no way I can make it through that on the bike. I guess if that is the mine, I'll just have to come back another time and just hike in, maybe bring some friends, like I said earlier. Could be fun. I'll look around a little bit more though, see if maybe I'm wrong, maybe there's another way in, or maybe we'll find something else interesting, who knows. Let's head down into this valley here, see where this goes. Maybe this is actually the mine, I don't know. Dude, there's so many different roads up here. I think this might go back down to the river eventually, but I'm not quite sure. Keep following it, see where it takes us. Alright, this probably isn't showing up on camera, but this road is actually getting really steep. Not sure how I feel about this. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing this. I just don't have the riding skills yet, and definitely not the confidence. I'll come back here later on though, for sure. Alright, time to head back up the steep hill. Whoa, check that out. Is this abandoned or is there somebody living out here? Like off the grid or something? I don't like that. I think I'm gonna turn around here. Oh, yeah, that's a dog. That's a dog. Let's go. Dude, I thought this was all public land up here. Maybe not. Hope I didn't just like ride up somebody's driveway or something. Alright, I could swear this is where the mine is supposed to be, right here. Maybe since I'm here again, I'll take the drone up a little higher and get the lay of the land, get a good look around. Oh dude, is this it? Dude, this is it. This is the mine. We found it. Well, I got as close as I could without losing signal, but I think that's it. Found the mine. Definitely will have to walk down there. And it's gonna be getting dark soon. I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm not going down there today. I'll come back another time. But I'm so glad I found it. Can't wait to come back here, that's for sure. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you saw, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, all that. If you want to see some photos, check out my Instagram at TheMotoDweeb. And I'll see you all next time. Thanks again for watching.